In case of a fire, be familiar with your emergency exits and routes so you can evacuate as quickly as possible. You must evacuate immediately anytime the fire alarm sounds. Do not assume it is a drill. If there is a fire and the alarm is not already sounding, pull the fire alarm to alert others. The next important step is to evacuate using the closest stairwell. You may need to use a different route and exit than you would normally take. Remember, do not use the elevators. If you're inside a building and hear or see a fire alarm, leave through the nearest exit, stay low, and feel doors before opening them. If a door is hot, the fire is likely on the other side. Make sure to close doors behind you to help isolate the fire. Once outside, follow the direction of emergency responders and proceed to the assembly point. This is a designated meeting point located a safe distance away from a building. If you're unable to evacuate, go to the nearest stairwell or other safe area and call 301-405-3333 or 911. Report your location and request assistance. Follow the directions of emergency personnel and do not go back in until you have been informed it is safe to do so. It is also important to know about fire prevention. Fires can be one of the most dangerous hazards on college campuses, with cooking, candles, and smoking being the leading causes of these fires. To prevent this from happening, never leave any cooking appliance unattended and refrain from using candles. Instead, use electronic candles for light or wall plug-ins for smell. Smoking is prohibited on campus and in residence halls. If any item is burned in a fire, please report it to UMPD even if the fire is out. If you ever notice a potential fire hazard on campus, please report them to the Office of the Fire Marshal by calling 301-405-3960. So remember, in the event of a fire, know the sounds of a fire alarm and pull it yourself if it's not already sounding. Always be aware of your emergency exits. Do not use the elevators. Evacuate quickly and safely to the assembly point, and practice safe fire prevention.